Hello, and welcome to Quick Tips from MSC Industrial Supply, a show where we invite the manufacturing community to share their expertise with us. There's nothing more important than being protected in the workplace. Ansell PPE has been keeping workers safe for decades. Now, Ansell PPE can also protect the environment and help you reach your landfill diversion goals with their RightCycle program. This is the first manufacturer-led recycling program for non-hazardous Chemtech and KleenGuard branded PPE. Let's take a look.
Imagine a different future for your waste stream, one that diverts used products from the landfill and gives it new life. You can realize that future now through the RightCycle program. The RightCycle program is the first manufacturer-led recycling program for non-hazardous PPE and flex film packaging. Participating in this groundbreaking service is a simple process. Get started by contacting the RightCycle program team and enrolling in WasteBits, an easy-to-use program that allows you to schedule and track your waste stream shipments. Collect your used glove and flex film packaging in one bin, PPE and flex film packaging in another. Once you've collected enough used products to fill a standard pallet, you're ready to ship. You can use one Gaylord box per pallet or fill it with multiple smaller boxes. Just be sure to put gloves on one pallet and all other used products on another. To better facilitate the sorting process, each pallet must be shrink-wrapped with a shipping label and unique tracking number that you receive through WasteBits. Once your shipment is received, we remove zippers, cuffs, and nosepiece wires from the used PPE. For this work, we're proud to partner with community-based groups that provide jobs for people with disabilities. Finally, it's off to one of our recycling partners for conversion into pellets that are molded into useful new products. We provide reports on your waste diversion metrics through WasteBits. And every year, we recognize customers for reducing their environmental impact with our Greenovation Award. But the most important reward is knowing that you're taking action by realizing a different future for your waste streams through the RightCycle program.
For more information on Ansell's RightCycle PPE recycling program, visit www.mscdirect.com/bettermro/RightCycle. The best part, recycling is free. You only need to pay for freight. Thanks, Ansell, for making protecting the environment and the bottom line so easy. See you next time on Quick Tips.